Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Coinbase Custody Security Workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Coinbase Custody Security Workflows, begin by visiting the Coinbase Custody website. Make sure you have your credentials ready, including your email and password. Click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the provided password field. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. You may be prompted for two-factor authentication or 2FA. If asked, open your Authenticator app to retrieve the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field. Click the Verify button to complete this step. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your account. Review the current security settings to ensure they meet your needs. Consider enabling additional security features such as withdrawal whitelists. If you haven't done so, set up biometric authentication for quick access. Next, visit the Settings tab to configure alerts for suspicious activity. Set up email notifications for any account changes or login attempts. After setting up your security preferences, log out and log back in to ensure all changes were saved. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. Stay informed about new security features and updates provided by Coinbase. By following these steps, you'll enhance your security when using Coinbase Custody. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Then if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.